Hey guys, tonight, hopefully, some rain. We're over at the cabin, and while I'm waiting on Danny to come back, I thought I'd give you a little preview. See the flag? It's moving. All out in here, the trees, they're moving. So, my first song, Bring On the Rain. So far it's not raining, but it's cloudy, the wind's blowing, and we have a good percentage of rain in the forecast. So we're going to see if we can bring on the rain. We're going to enjoy the cooler temperatures out here on the porch of the cabin in my rocker. So I've been sitting here waiting. We've walked around. We've listened to it thunder in the distance. You can feel the breeze. The breeze shut down. The skies started lightening up. So the clouds are passing. No rain. It's very disappointing sometimes, but maybe tonight. We'll just keep praying and keep praying for rain. Bring on the rain.
Okay, everybody.
2 seconds.
2 seconds. Here we go. Come on, Rain.
It's almost to stop. Hurry. We gotta dance. We gotta dance.
Woo!
Oh, thank you, Lord. Woo.
Here it comes. There we go. Yeah.
Yes. We are dancing. Yeah, come on. Come on, let's do the move. Let's go low, baby. How low
Yeah.
can you go?
How low can you go?
It's just raining.
Oh, it's too cold now. Okay. Let's go. Oh yeah. We gotta keep the body going.
We gotta go to the cabin and then off-grid bath.
Wanda's taking an off-grid bath here.
This is a way
There's
to
your
do it.
shower over there.
Huh?
There's a shower in the corner.
Oh. Come on, can you see?
That's what we call a shower. That's what you call a shower there now. The water's pouring out the valley of the house.
Gotta give it a little rub. We gotta go to the cabin for it to stop.
Oh, it's going to stop here in a few minutes, I believe.
Now we're gonna get the cabin.
Oh, my word, though. It's so much better than anything we've had. ahead, guys. It was 104 degrees a while ago. Out of nowhere came the rain.
Yeah.
It lasted maybe 5 minutes, maybe.
Maybe 5 minutes.
10 at the most. Because we didn't realize it was raining until it
had just gotten started good.
It had just gotten started good.
I happened to look out the window. I was editing and I looked up and I saw across this field out here between the cabin and the house, it looked like stuff falling from the sky.
Yeah.
And I'm like, Danny! And I just slammed down, opened the door, started out the door. I said,
we gotta go. We gotta go. And I'm like, why? What's going on? Yeah.
So we went out the front door and we danced on the porch, on the walkway,
yeah.
Enjoyed it. That rain was warm to start with.
It was warm to start with, then it got cold.
Yeah.
Then you got under the eave of the house and it got hot.
The water coming off our roof was like taking a hot shower.
Yeah, it was like taking a hot shower.
And I'm totally soaked, guys. I'm sorry. No glasses because I couldn't see. But
I was just trying to make sure I didn't have something in my pockets.
It's not enough rain to wet.
Well, it didn't even, no, the dirt ain't even wet.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, but I'm thankful.
It's awesome. It felt good after 6 or 7 weeks.
This is 6.5 weeks.
6.5 weeks and no rain. It may not be enough. I got water dripping from my nose. It may not be enough to do what we need, but we're praying more's coming.
I hope more comes. Twice today, and this is Sunday. Twice today it has almost reached us. It formed. I didn't tell you.
Once yesterday, and once the day before.
Once the day before, it got right here beside us. Today I seen it form right up here at the forks of the road.
Yeah, I saw the clouds.
And it moved down out toward the Magnolia Community Center. And I was like, man, we missed it again, you know?
So I have clips of the last 2 days, a little bit of the thunder, a little bit of the sky, and things like that. And I'm going to show you those and us dancing in the rain. Whew, that was pretty awesome.
Well, I see the sun's coming back out, but
it didn't last long. But we're thankful for what we've gotten.
It must have blew because it's on the porch up under here. It had been coming down from that direction pretty hard.
I think it's pretty cool.
I'm just happy.
I like being wet. This is the first time I played in the rain and I don't know when.
I don't even know the last time we were in the rain.
But this is cool.
Used to we took it for granted, you know, because if it rained, we just stand on the porch and watch it rain. I mean, we didn't think anything about it.
But today we danced in the rain.
Yeah, because I'm sitting here looking at my sugar cane. It's almost dead. You know, maybe this will
perk it a little.
Maybe to give it a little life and it won't die. Look at the field, how the steam's coming off of the field.
It is.
I don't know if I can pull that up to show you how hot it is. Let me see if I can. I don't know if you can actually see the steam rising off of the field. Where my hand is. Way down there, there's steam rising off of the field.
Danny is not as wet as I am.
I got overalls on. Mine kind of shed a little bit of the water.
I actually got under the eave of the house.
You was under the eave where it was really pouring out.
And I got under the downspout where I really got wet and took an off-grid shower.
Took an off-grid shower. Now you're sleepy now.
I think we're fixing to take a nap, guys. That was all we needed to enjoy the rest of our Sunday afternoon.
That right there was a blessing.
So it brings on a nap.
Brings on a NAP.
Thank you guys from Deep South Homestead.